Breath of life. Understanding air composition. Air is all around us, invisible yet essential for life. Though we can't see it, air is a mixture of gases. Each gas plays a crucial role. Understanding this composition helps us appreciate the delicate balance in nature. It also highlights why keeping our air clean is vitally important. The air we breathe is primarily nitrogen. About 78% of the air is nitrogen gas. Oxygen makes up around 21%. While a small percentage, this oxygen is what we breathe to survive. The remaining 1% of air consists of other gases. Argon is the most common of these, at just under 1%. We also find traces of carbon dioxide, neon, helium, methane, krypton, hydrogen, and water vapor. These gases, though present in small amounts, are no less important. They contribute to the Earth's atmosphere and influence our climate. Gases and their roles, a delicate balance. Each gas in the air we breathe has a specific role. Nitrogen, the most abundant gas, is crucial for plant growth. Plants can't use nitrogen directly from the air. They rely on bacteria in the soil to convert it into usable forms. Oxygen, the gas we need to breathe, is essential for all living organisms. Animals inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. This process, called respiration, allows us to convert food into energy. Carbon dioxide, though present in small amounts, is vital for plant life. Plants use carbon dioxide during photosynthesis to create food and release oxygen. This natural balance is crucial for maintaining life on Earth. Argon, an inert gas, has industrial uses. It provides an inert atmosphere in light bulbs to prevent the filament from burning too quickly. It's also used in welding to protect the weld area from oxidation. Water vapor, the gaseous form of water, varies in the atmosphere. It plays a key role in the water cycle, influencing cloud formation, rainfall, and weather patterns. When air turns harmful, understanding air pollution. Air pollution is the contamination of the indoor or outdoor air by harmful substances. These substances can be in the form of gases, particles, or biological molecules. They pose serious risk to human health and the environment. Pollutants come in many forms. Some of the most common ones include particulate matter, ozone, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and lead. Each of these pollutants has different sources and impacts. Particulate matter, also known as particle pollution, consists of tiny particles suspended in the air. These particles can penetrate deep into our lungs, causing respiratory and cardiovascular problems. Ozone, a gas that forms when pollutants react in the presence of sunlight, can damage lung tissue and worsen respiratory conditions like asthma. It also harms vegetation and ecosystems. Nitrogen dioxide, emitted from vehicles and industrial processes, contributes to smog and acid rain. Carbon monoxide, a poisonous gas, reduces oxygen delivery to the body's organs. Sulfur dioxide, released from burning fossil fuels, causes respiratory problems and contributes to acid rain. Lead, a toxic metal, can affect the nervous system, particularly in children. Sources of pollution, from natural events to human actions. Air pollution originates from both natural and human-made sources. Natural events such as volcanic eruptions, forest fires, and dust storms release pollutants into the atmosphere. However, human activities are the primary contributors to air pollution. The burning of fossil fuels for electricity generation, transportation, and industrial processes releases a significant amount of harmful emissions. Vehicle exhaust is a major source of air pollution, particularly in urban areas. Cars, buses, trucks, and motorcycles release a cocktail of pollutants including nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, and carbon monoxide. Industrial activities, such as manufacturing, mining, and oil and gas production, also contribute significantly to air pollution. These industries release a wide range of pollutants depending on the specific processes involved. Agricultural practices, including livestock farming and the use of pesticides and fertilizers, release ammonia, methane, and particulate matter into the air. Waste disposal, particularly the burning of waste and landfill emissions, releases harmful pollutants including particulate matter, dioxins, and methane. Section 5. The high cost of dirty air. Impacts on health and environment. Air pollution comes at a high cost, impacting both human health and the environment. Breathing polluted air can lead to a range of health problems, from mild irritation to serious diseases. Respiratory problems are among the most common health effects of air pollution. pollutants can irritate the airways, trigger asthma attacks, and worsen chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD. Cardiovascular diseases are also linked to air pollution. Fine particulate matter can enter the bloodstream, increasing the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular problems. Air pollution has been linked to an increased risk of lung cancer. Certain air pollutants are classified as carcinogens, meaning they have the potential to cause cancer. The developing brains of children are particularly vulnerable to the effects of air pollution. Exposure to air pollution during childhood can lead to developmental problems, reduced cognitive function, and respiratory issues. Section 6. Our warming planet, air pollution and climate change. Air pollution and climate change are interconnected issues with far-reaching consequences. Many air pollutants contribute to global warming by trapping heat in the Earth's atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, released from burning fossil fuels, is a major greenhouse gas. It acts like a blanket, trapping heat and causing the Earth's temperature to rise. Methane, released from livestock farming and natural gas leaks, is another potent greenhouse gas. Although present in smaller amounts than carbon dioxide, methane is much more effective at trapping heat. Black carbon, a component of soot, absorbs sunlight and warms the atmosphere. It is released from incomplete combustion of fossil fuels and biomass. The warming effects of these pollutants contribute to a range of climate change impacts, including rising sea levels, more frequent and intense heat waves, changes in precipitation patterns, and more extreme weather events. Section 7. Clearing the air steps towards a healthier planet. Addressing air pollution requires a multifaceted approach with individual and collective actions. By making conscious choices and advocating for change, we can contribute to cleaner air for all. Transitioning to cleaner energy sources is crucial for reducing air pollution and mitigating climate change. Renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal offer clean and sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. Improving energy efficiency in our homes, buildings, and transportation systems can significantly reduce energy consumption and associated emissions. This includes using energy-efficient appliances, improving insulation, and opting for public transportation, cycling, or walking whenever possible. Promoting sustainable transportation options such as electric vehicles, public transportation, cycling, and walking can reduce vehicle emissions and improve air quality, particularly in urban areas. Implementing stricter emission standards for vehicles and industries is essential for limiting the release of harmful pollutants. Governments play a crucial role in setting and enforcing these standards. Supporting policies that promote clean air and address climate change is essential for creating a healthier and more sustainable future. This includes supporting regulations on air pollution, investing in renewable energy, and promoting energy efficiency. Section 8. Water, the elixir of life. Water, covering over 70% of the Earth's surface, is essential for all known life. It plays a critical role in regulating our planet's temperature, shaping landscapes, and supporting ecosystems. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, all living organisms need water to survive. It acts as a solvent, transporting nutrients and facilitating vital chemical reactions within cells. Water is also crucial for agriculture, industry, and transportation. It is used to irrigate crops, generate electricity, manufacture goods, and transport people and goods around the globe. Despite its abundance, access to safe and clean water is a pressing global challenge. Pollution, overuse, and climate change are putting increasing pressure on this precious resource. Protecting water sources from contamination and ensuring equitable access to clean water are crucial for human health, environmental sustainability, and global security. Section 9. Safeguarding our future. Sustainable practices for air and water. Preserving the quality of our air and water requires a collective effort, embracing sustainable practices that minimize our impact on the environment. These actions, both individual and collective, are crucial for a sustainable future. Conserving water in our homes and gardens is a simple yet effective way to reduce water usage. This can be achieved by fixing leaks, using water-efficient appliances and fixtures, and watering gardens efficiently. Rainwater harvesting, collecting and storing rainwater for later use reduces reliance on municipal water supplies and helps conserve this precious resource. It also reduces stormwater runoff, which can carry pollutants into rivers and streams. Supporting organizations and initiatives dedicated to air and water conservation is crucial for amplifying our impact. By contributing to or volunteering with these organizations, we can actively participate in protecting our planet. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of air and water quality, as well as the threats they face, is essential for creating a more environmentally conscious society. By embracing these sustainable practices, we can contribute to a healthier planet for ourselves and future generations. The air we breathe and the water we drink are precious resources that deserve